All right, hello everyone. My name is Duncan Applegarth,
Hello y'all. I am Justin Chang.
and this is our project for COVID Hacks 2020 Scribble Math. So, the point of Scribble Math is that essentially we saw that doing complex math over Zoom isn't really the best way to go about learning new math. So we wanted to fix that. So this is basically a demo of how you go about using our tool Scribble Math. So the first thing you need to do is create an account. So if I click create an account, it brings us to this create account page here. And now I can go ahead and put a username in. So I'm going to say COVID Hacks for username, and I'll just say COVID Hacks 2020 at something.com because it doesn't really fully check the email. I'll just say nice as the password. So we'll just create this, and then once we create our account, it brings us right to the login page if we have our form correct, and we assume we do. So we go ahead and put our email in and our password, and now when we go ahead and submit to sign in, we now have a little interface here, as we can see. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my camera. So there we go. So this is what the interface looks like. Here we have a whiteboard in the front.
Alright, hello y'all. So right now we're going to demo the whiteboard in the middle of the screen. So the whiteboard in the middle of the screen is actually interactive between all users logged in to Scribble Math. Everyone logged into the server will be able to access this board and make changes. So right now I will draw a zigzag line and you will see the changes on my partner's screen.
And there it is. It's right there.
And yes sir, there is the zigzag line, and as you can see, he's also drawing, and I can also see those changes made on my screen. And the 5 different color palettes on the bottom allow you to change the color of your pen. And as you can see, Duncan has made some blue lines, and I've made some yellow lines. Now I'm making some green lines.
It's so hard to see.
And some red lines. And we've also added a feature where we're able to clear the whiteboard.
Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and demo that right now. So over here in the top right, we have this eraser, and if we click that, as you can see, it clears, and it'll clear for everyone as well. So
yes sir, so it has cleared on my screen, and from there you can draw again or start using the chat.
okay, all right. So now the other main feature of Scribble Math is this chat over here. As you can see, we've been having a little bit of connection issues because our internet isn't so good right now, but so we can just type normal things. So yeah, as you can see, my partner here just typed out hello y'all, and there's a special feature where we have like a little message that shows when they're typing. So if I say hello world, see, there we go. So there I am. And now we can chat back and forth all day, but what makes Scribbl Math interesting and unique is that we have LaTeX processing and compiling. So that means that if I want to express the equation E equals MC squared, right? It doesn't look too nice like this. But with Scribble Math, we can use LaTeX. If you guys are in the math scene, you guys will know what LaTeX is, but essentially it's a programming language for you to be able to create nice math. So this is integrated into Scribble Math, and we can use that by using the create nice math command. And so when we type create nice math, then we can type in any equation or any LaTeX, valid LaTeX sentence. And if I hit enter here, as you can see, we get an output of a nice formatted correct mathematical equation. And Justin also sees this, and he can also type in another equation if he wants, and I'll see the same thing. As you can see, there's x squared. So yeah, this will, since teachers will have a grasp, or they can get a grasp on LaTeX, and so students and everyone can see what math they're talking about in a very concise way. And also, for our webcam streams here, as you can see, we also do have controls to either mute the mute yourself. So I am now muted, and then I'm unmuted. And then over here, I can also turn my camera off. As you can see, it's black. Now I'm online again. And so we can go ahead and use that to, control whether we want to be seen on the call or not. And that's pretty much all of Scribbl Math. Thank you for listening.